I am going to tell you how to use QuickTime Player to trim your video. On MacBook, you can use it easily to record your videos just by clicking File and Record Screen. I am currently recording, so it showing it as disabled. So you can here record, and after recording you can open the video and go to edit and find the trim. You can also click window T, it will be opened. It's showing that complete timeline. You can play the video and find the time. As I need trim first 16 seconds. You can see it's showing seconds and milliseconds. So it's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 16. So I want to trim first 16 seconds. So I drag it to the time and click on trim. So done. Now my video start from 16 second and onward. Thanks.